Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new episode of the Photoshop tutorial. Um, in the last video, that means the first episode, I told you all guys about the interface or the overview of Photoshop. Before watching the second video, please watch the first video. The link for the first video is down in the description. In the last video, I mentioned at the end of the video, I mentioned I'm teaching about the move tool, marquee tool, and the lasso tool. So now today I'm going to do that today. Before this video, make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and comment my video. Now let's start the tutorial. Okay, now you all guys can see, before I told you all in the video, this is the project panel. Now I am using Photoshop CC 2019. If you are using that version, you can see a panel interface like this. Now to teach you all about the tools, I'm going to create new. Then after that, you all guys can see default Photoshop size. Normally I have said this as the default one. I'm keeping all the heights and resolutions free, normal default one. Then I'm going to change the color black. Okay, then I'm going to press create. Okay, now you all guys can see a black layer background. Now today I'm going to teach all about the move tool, marquee tool, and the lasso tool. Before I'm teaching those stuff, I need to tell you where are those tools, where are those move tool and move tool, marquee tool, and lasso tool. Then you all guys can see I told in the before video, this is called the tool panel, and these are the first three tools. The first one is move tool, that's what I mean. Then let's marquee tool, then it's lasso tool, right? Now hope you all understand where those three tools are. Now to teach you about those tools, I'm first going to import an image to my project. Then going to open the project image I want. Then I need to put this image to my original background. Then I'm going to do is keep your cursor on the image and press Ctrl J. Then you all guys can see in the layer panel the image is duplicated. Then I'm going to carry it here, then okay. Now I'm going to use the size, increase the size. Okay, now let's talk about those tools. Then now the tools, I mean the move tool. Okay, move tool, the move tool shortcut is V. Then now I'm going to tell you what this move tool does. Like now I have an image. I imported this image from another project. Then you can, the move tool can move one of the image. You can't move the background because it's the background. You can move this image like this here. You can do it everywhere. Another thing is, if you want to change the size of this image, you need to do is, but if I press the you need to do is press the image. Now if you press, you can't see any mask or not anything. For that one I have solution. In the top you all guys can see show transform controls. Then you all need to press that. Then after you press, you all can see a mask appeared around the image. That means you can reduce and increase the size of the image. Now if you want to do like this, you can do like that, and like this, like good. Okay, now that's all what we can do about the move tool. Then let's talk about the marquee tool. Marquee tool is if you want to mark something, mark like this. Just you need to press it. No, wait. I need to mark the square. This square. For that, you need to do like this. This is the rectangle marquee tool. This is the rectangle marquee tool. Okay. Then after that, to take the copy of the image, you need to press Ctrl J. Then after that, go to move tool. You can do like this. You can duplicate the image. The shortcut key for the marquee tool is press keyboard on press M on your keyboard. Then now another thing, if you want to remove only the large circle instead of the square, you need to go. You all guys can see a small dot or an arrow is there. Just press it, or you can keep your cursor on the marquee tool icon, then it will come automatically, or you can right click. Then after that, you guys can see rectangle marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool. Then let's talk the option we need is elliptical marquee tool to duplicate only to mark only the circle. Then now let's do like this. Wait. Right. Okay. Then after that, press Ctrl J. Right. You all guys can see only the circle has been removed. Okay. Now hope you understand about the elliptical marquee tool. Now let's talk about, I'm not going to talk about these two because it's not essential for you all. Then after that, the last tool that we are talking is lasso tool, right? Lasso tool. If you want to I'm going to first delete these duplicate layers, so it will be easy. Just if you want to delete the layer, first right click, then press delete layer. Then after, if you want to add the layer, we need to do like this. Create a new layer, transparent blank new layer is created. I'm going to delete that. Then after that, layer 1, this is the normal image layer. Then after that, I need to remove only one of the small circles, the medium circle. For that, you go to lasso tool. Then, but there are 3 options in lasso tool. Lasso tool means, normal lasso tool means you can draw anywhere. Polygonal lasso tool means like this. Right. Another thing is, if you want to deselect your if your selection went wrong, to deselect you need to press Control key plus D on your keyboard. Okay, now lasso tool means you can draw it like this. It's a little bit hard to remove the circle. For that, then polygonal lasso tool. Polygonal lasso tool means you can do it only on lines. If I take the square here, you can draw line here. Only lines you can draw. This so that's also hard to remove the circle. Okay, then this is my favorite lasso tool, the easiest way to remove one of the circles. Okay, then this is the last lasso tool option, is magnetic lasso tool. That is my favorite lasso tool. Now I'm going to remove the circle accurately. Now go to control. If you want to zoom the image, you need to press control key plus the plus mark, right? Then after that, I'm going here. Then you guys can see it's like a magnetic. It get attracted to the circle, so it's easy, right? Like that, I'm going to draw it around the circle. If I press here, like okay. Great. Another thing is, if you want to end your selection, you need to press one of the small squares. If you press it outside the circle or the square, you need to do your selection again. Then after that, you guys can see a line appeared, a circle line appeared around your circle. Then after that, I'm going to do is Control J again. Press Control J. Okay. Okay, now you all guys can see the circle. The selection was unsuccessful because there were small circles and some lines. But if you are drawing, if you are selecting a single circle, it will be easy and professional. It will give a professional look. Okay, now hope you all understand about the lasso tool. That's all for today's episode. Next day I'm going to teach you all about the quick selection tool, crop tool and the frame tool, right? Then stay tuned for that video. Hope you understand this video. Before I'm ending this video, make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell and comment my video. Okay, see you all in the next episode. Thank you. Bye.